guys, it's your girl Cyn. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have my brother Nicholas, my little brother, helping me with some mods on my Jeep. The first mod is we're going to change the trail rated 4x4 badge on my car. Right now it is the silver one, the standard one that comes with the car, but we're gonna change it to red. So make sure you go like subscribe to his channel. He has a channel now. He's gonna be you know, fixing this bad boy up. The Hemi.
It's dirty right now.
It's dirty right now, but he is going to be vlogging about that. So you guys, I will leave all of his information down below. So make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to his channel. Hemi God 18.
That's me.
Whatever. Okay, so let's get straight to the video. So this is the badge that comes with the Jeep. And this is the badge. I didn't even wash my car. Shut up. Shut up. This is the badge that we're going to be replacing it with. Now, I was watching Adventure Dex's channel, Adventure Dex on YouTube. He said to use floss, but we ran out of floss. So we're going to be using a spatula, because they said we could use a spatula. So I saw another video saying that we could use a spatula. So we're going to go ahead and attempt to do this with a spatula. So let's give it a go.
Tell the truth, if I was doing this for you, then I have nothing left to prove. Nah, this for me though. I'm just trying to stay alive and take care of my people. And they don't have no more for that. Trophies, 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 trophies.
Alright guys, just like that. The seal is on the badge. You know, just gonna rub it down a little bit and make sure it sticks.